the Saxon Strategic Growth Fund, here to introduce our fund. Bear in mind, I will explain the fund as simple as I can. The Saxon Strategic Growth Fund is a low-risk investment product which offers the investor potential for unlimited capital appreciation. The investment objectives of the Saxon Strategic Growth Fund are to achieve capital preservation by investing 75% of the total assets in U.S. Treasury notes, bills, investment-grade bonds, and high-yield bonds, and to maximize total returns by investing the balance of 25% in currencies, indexes, precious metals, commodities, futures, and other derivatives, etc. As fund manager, I and my team use advanced investment strategies such as leverage, long and short positions, and derivatives in both domestic and international markets to achieve the best possible returns from the underlying assets. Our investment team continuously rebalances the portfolio based on evaluations, the expected returns of asset classes, and underlying market conditions. Further, we minimize the fund's volatility with the use of dynamic asset allocation and diversification. What are the main selling features of the fund which benefit investors? The balanced investment portfolio, the asset enhancement strategy, real-time tracking of the fund performance, the premier performance program, and our experienced fund management team. What are our balanced investment portfolio? To achieve a balanced investment portfolio, 75% of the capital is invested in what we call a guaranteed portfolio. This portfolio invests in fixed income securities, such as high-grade corporate and sovereign bonds, U.S. Treasury bills, and zero-coupon bonds. Basically, securities in this portfolio will gradually grow and increase in value, and in time to come mature to 100% of the capital, achieving our objective of capital protection. 25% of the fund will be invested into a trading portfolio. Investments in this portfolio are securities with higher returns, achieving maximum capital gains and striving to increase the initial capital invested. This portfolio invests in currencies, commodities, precious metals, indexes, and other derivatives. How does the asset enhancement strategy work? The prominent feature of our fund, different from others, allows our investor to lock in investment gains, with 25% of the fund being invested into a trading of currencies, commodities, precious metals, indexes, and other derivatives. Profits from the trading will be withdrawn and locked in at the end of each month. The profits are then reallocated according to the ratio of the balanced investment portfolio once every month by transferring a portion of the profits from the trading portfolio to the guaranteed portfolio. This ensures the company locks in profits from the trading portfolio and thereby increasing the size of the guaranteed portfolio and in turn increasing the sum the investor will receive at maturity. This in turn enhances the total net asset value of the fund. This unique fund management methodology is our asset enhancement strategy. How does our real-time tracking of fund performance work? Investors are able to download Saxon Capital's Group's Android app and track the performance of all 12 Saxon funds. For the Saxon Strategic Growth Fund, we've made it even better. The fund performance is accessible to all unit holders from all over the world through our secure online portal and also MetaTrader 4 or MT4 platform. Hence, all unit holders are able to access and view all trading activities taking place for the trading portfolio, thereby providing real-time tracking of the fund performance for our clients' convenience. In this way, we use technology to allow for instant information exchange with our clients. What is our Premier Performance Program? Our program pays each investor a fixed monthly return on their investment. The product can take both long and short positions, use arbitrage, buy and sell undervalued securities, trade derivatives, use leverage, and invest in almost any opportunity in any market where it foresees impressive gains that reduce risks. We also hedge against downturns in markets, especially important in today's financial markets with volatility and the anticipation of market corrections. The primary aim is to reduce volatility and risk while attempting to preserve capital and deliver positive returns under all market conditions. Our advanced investment strategies enable us to maintain a consistent performance, thereby producing a constant stream of returns for our investors. How is currency trading a key factor in generating high returns for our fund? The foreign exchange markets are unique because of their huge trading volume, representing the largest asset class in the world. Average daily turnover in global foreign exchange markets is estimated at over $4 trillion US. There are huge opportunities to profit from this highly liquid financial market, and we will be focusing on them to generate returns for our investors. Furthermore, using leverage in currency trading allows us to earn higher returns with relatively small amounts of capital. The ratio of leverage could be as high as 1 to 200. Why invest in commodities? Commodities are all around us. They are physical products which we touch, see, use, and eat. Basically, they are tangible goods which we consume and use in everyday life. For instance, with energy commodities, we invest in crude oil, coal, and natural gas. With metal commodities, we trade precious metals like gold, silver, and platinum, as well as base metals like copper, aluminum, or iron. Of course, we also trade agricultural commodities like coffee beans, sugar, and cotton. Commodities are a part of our life and a big market not to be missed. Why do we invest in indexes? An index is essentially an imaginary portfolio of securities representing a particular market or even a portion of a market, such as the Standard & Poor's 500. When most people talk about how well the market is doing, they're actually referring to some sort of an index. Movement in indexes are generally more stable relative to other financial instruments. Index trading hence acts as a stabilizer for our trading portfolio. How is our fund management team different from others? We have an experienced and dedicated investment team, carefully selected, especially for our fund, with expertise in all asset classes and investment markets. We are able to offer clients a wide range of investment solutions. I have led our award-winning team over the past decade, achieving excellence and establishing a proven track record with an excess of over 200 years of combined trading and investment experience. Why is derivative trading an important strategy to us? The key advantage in derivative trading is that it allows us to earn high returns from relatively small movements in the price of an underlying asset, leveraging the upfront capital outlay, which is minimal compared actual market value of the underlying asset. This use of derivative trading allows us to hedge against the potential downside risk, which is in accordance to our fund's objective of earning the maximum returns with the minimum of risks. Why is Saxon Capital introducing a client referral rewards program? We are marketing the Saxon Strategic Growth Fund through our new online distribution channel. This saves us costs by avoiding commissions paid to banks and other financial institutions if we were to let them market the fund. We're also able to effectively reduce many of the fixed costs related to the rental of offices and staff, enabling our fund to pass on these savings to our investors as a referral commission. We strongly believe in our client referral rewards program. It is a proven business model creating exponential growth for our sales and is a great way to reach out to more investors in the shortest possible time. Why is Saxon Capital launching the Strategic Growth Fund now? To put it in global context, according to the Boston Consulting Group, investing in funds has gained in popularity among investors worldwide. The total global AUM in 2013 has increased by 13% to a record of $68.7 trillion US, up from $60.9 trillion US in 2012. Over the past decade, structured investment funds with a capital guarantee have grown in global popularity as they limit losses in falling markets while providing the investor with exposure to certain markets still offering capital gains. Our fund was set up based on the increased need for such investment products in our modern world. We maintain a very positive view of the future performance of Saxon Strategic Growth Fund, managed by a very experienced and dedicated investment team. The fund will perform within our expectations and deliver positive results to our stakeholders.